To add a card to Apple Pay. The process is quite easy and quick. First, you need to obtain your card details, which can be done by opening the relevant mobile app and clicking on the More option or the three-line icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open up the settings, where you need to scroll down and find the Manage Cards option. Once you've found it, click on it, and it will list all the cards linked to your account. Select the card you want to link to Apple Pay, and you'll be able to access your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Next, open the Apple Wallet app and click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Then, select the Debit or Credit Card option, and you may see an NFC warning or instruction. Simply click Continue. You can either scan your card if you have it physically or click Enter Card Details manually and fill in the details yourself. Enter your name and card number. Then click Next. You may be asked to verify your phone number or account linked to your card, so follow the on-screen instructions. By doing so, you'll be able to link your card to Apple Wallet.